Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about how to think so you succeed in SMMA, get clients, and hit that elusive $10,000 a month. Guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. I'm going to give you guys some data, some information, some content that I believe that's going to help you guys succeed. You want to succeed? Are you tired of failing? Are you tired of not having clients? Are you tired of making excuses why you don't got that brand new Mercedes-Benz in your driveway? Well, I'm going to get down to the nooks and crannies to what's really going on and why all of the videos and all the courses and all the commercials you see on YouTube and the guys that are promising you this, promising you that. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, boys and girls, the secret to my success has to do with my mind, okay? The secret to your success, to your failure, your demise, okay, has to do with mindset. Most people, okay, believe that they're going to get successful based on someone else giving them a magic bullet, okay? And that's far from the truth. If you're going to be successful, okay, you're going to have to discipline your mind. Write that down. This is key stuff, okay? You're going to have to clean your mind up, okay? Most of you guys are just flat out too negative to make it in business, okay? Let me say that again. Too many of you guys are too negative to get rich in social media marketing, okay? What am I talking about? Guys, girls, you got to stop making all of these excuses why you can't. A lot of you guys are defeated before you start to make cold calls. How do you expect to win the game if you're already lost in your mind? Let me give you guys an example of this, okay? Now imagine if we were playing a game of 5-on-5, okay? I was the point guard and a couple of other you guys with the centers, the forward, and we're going to run full court with another 5 individuals, okay? And we huddled up, and I looked over there, okay? I'm going to use myself as an example, but I just want you guys to picture if you were playing 5-on-5 pickup with me against another 5-on-5, another 5 individuals, okay? And we huddled up, and I looked over there at the other team and said, guys, you know what? I don't think we're going to win. Look how big the other guy is. Look at the other guy. Oh, in fact, he played basketball for such and such. And I started to speak defeat before we even got on the court to play basketball. And that's what most of you guys think. Before you pick up the phone, nobody's going to tell me no. Or nobody's going to tell me yes. I can't do cold call. I have anxieties. I'm feared. I'm defeated. And most of you guys never attempt to do anything. You're defeated before you step foot on the phone. Before you pick the phone up, you're automatic defeated. When you go to buy the course, you automatically say, I can't afford it. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? You automatically make excuses. Maurice, I don't have the time to set aside 1 to 2 hours a day. Ladies and gentlemen, clean your mind up. You have to discipline your mind. You have to discipline your thoughts, okay? And we're going to talk about this because this is a plague that's stopping 98% of you guys from hitting $10,000 a month. How do you hit $10,000 a month? How do you get 5 clients this month? Mindset, baby. Mindset. Control and discipline your thoughts to only think about what you want. Okay, write that down. Okay, most of you guys' mindset is not fit okay, for success. All right. Just like most people are not fit to run a mile around a track because they're not in shape. And I believe that 98% of you guys mentally, okay, you're obese. You need to get in shape. You need to control your mind. You need to start to discipline. See, in order for you to have the body you want in life and to go to the gym and eat the right food, you got to discipline yourself, okay? You have to impose self-discipline. And what I'm imposing upon you guys today, because I want you guys to be successful. You guys want to be successful, have a pocket full of money, have a bank account full of money, have clients, have ads all over the internet for your clients, generating tons and tons of leads and making your clients happy and you making yourself happy, taking the trips to Acapulco and, the Mediterranean and Hawaii and all these beautiful places that you can go. Once you get control of your mind, then you must clean your mind up and you must discipline yourself, okay? Let me say that again. You must discipline your mind, okay? The mind is only to think about what you want. Now, here's an exercise. What I want you guys to do is grab a sheet of paper, okay, and grab a pen or pencil. And I want you to write down all the negative thoughts that have been bombarding your mind. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is what's stopping all of you guys from doing what I'm doing. Hitting $20,000 to $30,000, $40,000 a month. I'm on my way to making $50K a month. Why? Mindset. I went from a warehouse, loading a truck, driving a forklift, to literally, ladies and gentlemen, creating my own reality. Going where I want to go, waking up when I want to wake up, travel when I want to travel, buying things that I want to buy, okay? Not things that gurus and media think I should have, okay? I don't need a Lamborghini. If I wanted one, I can get one, but I don't need a Lamborghini to make me feel successful, okay? I like fishing. I got a bass boat. I paid cash for it. Why? Because that's what I wanted. Okay, I get the things I want. I don't get the things that other people say that I should have in order for me to be successful in their eyes. Okay, there's two types of success. Those people that look successful and they're broke, and those people that don't look successful and they're rich. I fit into the category of number 2. Okay, might not look super rich, but if I want it, I can get it. I have options, okay? If I want to wake up, I can wake up. If I don't, I can lay in the bed. The thousands are still going to hit my checking account every single day. Why is that? Mindset, okay? If you look at successful people, folks, and you look at unsuccessful people, the common denominator, the common denominator is mindset, okay? All right. And now notice, ladies and gentlemen, I said I was at, hitting 20 to 30K every month. And now I'm transitioning my mind to hit 50. Okay. That's the difference. And then I'll transition my mind to hit 100. Okay. It's all about mindset. And so what I have to do now is discipline my thinking. So the first thing you need to do, folks, if you want to hit 10K and get clients, is you got to discipline your thinking, because your mind is going to tell you you can't. Okay, your mind is going to tell you you can't afford it. Your mind is going to tell you you're lazy. You have anxieties, and you have to say no mentally. Because here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, we all have what's called self-talk. Okay, we all have music, thoughts that are being played. You talk to yourself more than anybody else. And what I want you to do is be your biggest coach, okay? And that's why it's important to get a coach. It's important to get a course. That's why it's important to read books like Think and Grow Rich, How to Win Friends and Influence People, The Magic of Thinking Big, so that you can interrupt all of the negative music. See, once again, successful people do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. And so what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I'm making money and you're not is because you're listening to your negative music. I'm ignoring my negative music and I'm repaying positive music. Like, I make $50,000 every single month in SMMA. Instead of you that are saying to yourself, I'm broke, I don't have money, I got a job, I can't afford the course, I didn't grow up with a silver spoon in my mouth, I don't have degrees. None of that stuff matters. What matters is that you have to discipline your thoughts. If you want big things, you got to think about big things. You can't think small and reap big. That doesn't make sense, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what is the problem? Take that piece of paper, write down every negative thought that goes on. I want you guys to do this exercise throughout the week, okay? I want you to monitor your thought. Every time a negative thought comes into your mind, write it down and replace it with your goals. Write down 10 goals you want to accomplish. Every time that negative thought say, I have the Mercedes, I make $10,000 in my SMMA, I have 5 clients. Before you pick up the phone, watch my videos, and then, ladies and gentlemen, say, if Maurice can do it, I can do it. If he can go from a warehouse, I can go from where I am now to, hitting $10,000, $100,000 in SMMA. Okay, all I have to do is dedicate, commit, and discipline my thoughts. Okay, most people, ladies and gentlemen, are defeated in their mind. And here's the sad reality. They're so defeated in their mind, ladies and gentlemen, and I gotta go. They don't even try. They don't even attempt to do anything. Most of you guys haven't even attempted to make a cold call because of your mind. And I want to kill that negative mess that's going on in your mind so that you can get off your and get busy and get rich. Because there's too many clients out here, ladies and gentlemen, that would love for you to sign them up and run their ads on Facebook and Google, or hire outsourcers to do it for you on their behalf. But because of your thinking, okay, you're obese mentally, and it's time for you to get your mind in shape. And if you guys want to hit $10,000 a month, let me say this, okay? You're not going to hit $10,000 a month with the same mind you got right now. You can hang it up. When I left that warehouse to making $100,000 my first year in SMMA, man, I had to exercise and discipline and control my mind. And you can't get outside of your head, folks. If your mind is $5, that's all you're going to make is $5. If you don't see yourself getting clients, you'll never get a client. I can give you all the courses and coaching you want, but if you don't believe it and you don't clean your mind up, it's a wrap. All the gurus promising you this and that, if your mind's messed up, you can hang it up. It's like giving a drunk man a key to a Mercedes Benz. He's going to crash because mentally he can't do it. And that's the same thing with you folks. You got to discipline your thoughts, okay? So I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you thought, okay? It's time for us to control and discipline our thoughts. We need to get in shape mentally, okay? If you guys need help, you want to get your mind right, click the link in the description, grab the course. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I put out fire like this on regular. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.